There are so many people who have not been brave enough to do video yet. Now they know everybody's talking about it and everybody's saying you should be doing it. So I'm just going to give you a few tips about what I have found has worked for me. I've got out of my comfort zone and I have stuck with it. And I would love if other people would do the same. So my workspace is very important, and when I video, I want you to see a little bit of my workspace. What I have in my background today, I've got a picture that I love. I truly believe if you believe you can do something, then you're halfway there. And that is the thing with the video. So back to what's worked for me. I need to be comfortable in my space, and I want to show you a little bit of my space. A couple of weeks ago, I started doing videos in my new office. I couldn't quite get the camera to work for me, and I was sitting at my desk. And you know what? I hated it because that is not me. I'm more comfortable on my feet. I got a new microphone, which is the Blue Yeti that so many people have. Let's be honest, I don't know if it's made much difference to me because I'm not an expert. The experts will probably say the sound is not perfect, but I think the sound is good enough, and that's why you don't want to get hung up on these things. I've got a door in the background. When I started this morning, I thought, oh, I don't like that there, I don't want it there. And then I thought, I wish it was white and it wasn't brown, but do you know what? Who cares? I've also had dogs barking outside this morning. I was actually hoping they would continue barking while I did this video, because then I could say, do you know what? Life gets in the way and that doesn't matter either. So get out of your comfort zone, get in front of that camera, bring us into your space a little bit, show us something that lets us know a little bit more about you. I've been doing it for 3 years. I said I'm still not comfortable, but I'm going to continue doing it. So get in front of that camera and get started. That's what I would recommend to anybody who's thinking about it but hasn't just done it yet. If you like my videos, please let me know that you like them, and why don't you subscribe to the channel to get notified when new videos appear on a regular basis. Until next time, happy zeroing!